Okay, so in this quick additional series of videos, I'm going to go over how to do the IBT workflow, which is indirect bonding tray. Different names for this, indirect bonding in general. The point is we're going to create a tray, a printable tray that can hold our brackets and deliver them to the patient's mouth in a predetermined position. Traditionally, this is done on stone models, bleaching trays and Essex trays, and various ways to transfer the brackets to the models. But here, we're going to position all the brackets in the software. So one thing that's very important to note is that I have already aligned these teeth the way I want them. When you're doing this workflow, you do not need to get them perfectly aligned, but close. The closer you get them, the better off you're going to be. Because what's going to happen is the software is going to position the brackets as though this is your desired final position. This workflow is designed to work with the straight wire orthodontic technique, where as the wire is twisted at the beginning, it straightens out and all the teeth end up in the position where they're intended to be based on a wire that is straightened out. So as I work through this workflow, I will explain, hopefully, if you're not understand what I mean, hopefully it'll make more sense. So the biggest difference is right now we have add buttons. Instead, we're going to change it to add brackets. Make sure you check this box, design indirect bonding tray. If you don't check that box, you're going to be exporting models with brackets on them. Then you could traditionally make your IBT tray with a suck down technique. It's fine to do, but I will caution you that printing models with brackets on them is tricky because the brackets have lots of small components, and for our printers to print them without having lots of failures can be very, very tricky. So I don't encourage that, but you can do that if you'd prefer do that rather than print the actual tray itself. Okay, so I'm going to click on this checkbox and I'm going to move forward. In the next video, I will talk about adding the brackets.